Welcome to Pinoy Guard. Today, we explore a major leap forward for the Philippine Navy, a bold step towards self-reliance in warship production. This move aligns with the Independent Defense Posture Revitalization Act, also known as the SRDP Act. With Italy's shipbuilding expertise in the mix, could this finally pave the way for the Philippines to build its own modern warships? And what does this mean for regional security, especially in the South China Sea? Stay tuned as we break it all down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on Philippine defense and security. The Philippine Navy's vision for self-reliance. For decades, the Philippine Navy has relied on foreign acquisitions for fleet modernization. But with the SRDP Act, the country is taking decisive steps toward developing its own shipbuilding capabilities. According to Navy spokesman Captain John Percy Alcos, the Navy will continue collaborating with Italy, a global leader in shipbuilding. The goal? To create a domestic defense industry capable of producing warships and other strategic assets. This will strengthen maritime defense and boost the local economy by generating jobs and advancing shipbuilding technology. But how realistic is this vision? Can the Philippine Navy truly achieve warship self-sufficiency? Analyzing the Italian partnership. Italy's shipbuilding industry is led by giants like Fincantieri, one of the world's largest shipbuilders. They have built advanced warships for the Italian Navy and other nations, including the Frem-class frigates. The Philippines has already engaged with Italian defense firms. In fact, Fincantieri previously offered designs for the Philippine Navy's new corvettes. This ongoing partnership could lead to valuable technology transfers, equipping the Philippines with modern shipbuilding expertise. But the big question is, what types of ships might be built under this collaboration? Potential warships under SRDP. If the Philippine Navy is serious about self-reliance, certain warships will likely be prioritized. Corvettes and light frigates, essential for defending territorial waters, especially in the South China Sea. Offshore patrol vessels, OPVs, crucial for maritime domain awareness. Landing platform docks, LPDs, vital for both military operations and disaster response. Missile boats and fast attack craft, agile, heavily armed vessels perfect for asymmetric warfare. Building these ships locally will take years, but the SRDP Act lays the foundation for a long-term defense industry. Naval modernization and regional security. As the Philippines pushes for self-reliance, regional tensions remain a major factor. The South China Sea remains a hotspot, with Chinese maritime militias frequently encroaching on Philippine waters. By producing its own warships, the Philippines strengthens its maritime defense. This reduces reliance on foreign suppliers, who may impose restrictions on arms sales. This shift aligns with other defense initiatives, including the F/A-50PH and future multi-role fighters, strengthening the Air Force's capabilities. Shore-based anti-ship missile systems, working alongside naval forces to secure territorial waters. Joint exercises with allied nations, enhancing interoperability with the US, Japan, and Australia. Challenges and the road ahead. Despite the promising prospects, there are major challenges. Infrastructure limitations. Modern shipyards are needed to build high-tech warships. Skilled workforce, engineers, welders, and technicians must be trained. Budget constraints. Defense spending must be carefully managed. Technology transfer. Secure agreements are needed to ensure real knowledge sharing. Comparing with other navies. Many countries have successfully transitioned to self-reliant shipbuilding. South Korea now exports warships worldwide. Indonesia has also made significant progress in local warship production. How does the Philippines compare? Currently, the country lacks large-scale shipbuilding infrastructure. However, with strategic partnerships and investment, the gap can be narrowed. Economic and strategic impact. A self-reliant shipbuilding industry will not only strengthen defense but also boost the economy. Job creation. Thousands of skilled and semi-skilled workers will find employment. Technology growth. Local shipyards will gain expertise in modern shipbuilding. Less dependence on foreign suppliers, faster acquisitions and upgrades. Stronger naval presence. A modern fleet built at home means a more capable Philippine Navy. Future outlook. Experts suggest that by 2035, the Philippine Navy could have a fleet of locally built corvettes, OPVs, and amphibious ships. Combined with land-based missile systems and modern aircraft, this would create a credible deterrent force in the South China Sea. However, success depends on government support and a well-executed strategy. The SRDP Act provides the legal framework, but implementation is key. Conclusion. The Philippines is at a turning point. With the but it will take political will, sustained investment, and strategic execution. Could this be the beginning of a new era for the Philippine Navy? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on Philippine defense and security. This is Pinoy Guard, signing off.